Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and Rathbone Manor. This morning I went into town with Mrs. Rathbone as she went off to work, and I popped into Poundland where I found these little fellows right here. So what have we got? Hannon multi-use precision screwdriver set. And you'll notice that the screwdriver bit here is the wrong way round. When I first got the set, it was all over the place. It was just loose in here, as you can see from this photograph. What I've managed to do, I've managed to wiggle it about in the packaging, because I was wondering if there was actually a magnet in here, and this is being held by, it was pulled in by a magnet, so that's okay, the magnet is still in there. As you can see, I've yet to get it out of the packaging. There are a couple of staples there that need taking out, so let's get those out. Okay, now in theory we should be able to slide this off of here, hopefully. And there we go. Oh, here we are, look at that. Wow, what a shot, man! Awesome! I couldn't have done that if I'd have tried. Believe it or not, I just threw it onto what I thought was going onto the floor. I wasn't looking at the bin or anything. I was looking through the camera here. But yeah, you couldn't write it, could you? Anyway, getting back to the screwdriver set. Quite a nice little package here. Slide that open. Oh, there we go, look at that. So there's the, oh, it's got rubber bits on it as well. Oh, nice. Okay, that's a first look. It does say on the packaging somewhere that this is metal, and it certainly feels like it. The rotating bit there, rubber bit just here, and oh, we do actually have a magnet in there. There we go, look at that. Nice. So this should work quite well, shouldn't it? What else have we got in here then? They've got quite a selection of precision bits in here. Looks like torque bits. I'm looking through the lens here, so I can't really see a lot. Some smaller torque bits, Phillipsy bits, and some flat screwdriver bits. And what do we get in the screwdriver itself? Quite a large Phillips bit. Cool. So down there we have a magnet. As you can see, it's been pushed in. What have we got there? What's it say on there? Let's have a look. Chrome vanadium PH2 Phillips number 2. Snaps in there. We've got some O-rings on there for control. What those little dots are about? Oh, the little patterns on there. Oh, that's alright, that's cool. And so we've got the little rotating for precision driving. Oh, that's alright, that's cool. And here we have all the Torx bits, all chrome vanadium, as you can see there. Moving on to the smaller Phillips. They look alright too, don't they? And then we have the flats. Oh yeah, there we go. Chrome vanadium 4. So I guess the question here is, are these bits going to be any good? What does it say on the packaging? Precisely machined, interchangeable heads, multi-use, laptops, phones, tablets, watches, jewellery, glasses, cameras and more. With carry case, durable metal body, 16 piece. On the floor with that one again then. So I suppose we'll have to find something we can take screws out of. Okay, so this old laptop has got quite a few screws in it. I suppose we'll have to get the right size bit, which this is not. Let me just find one. Okay, so I'm going to say this PH1 here is going to be the bit we need. And buried in there, as you can see, there is a little Phillips screw. Let me get him out. Oh yeah, there we come. Now, does the magnet? Yes, it does. Look at that. Oh, just about got it. The magnet is just about strong enough, although not all that good, to hold on to this screw. Pretty doesn't hold on to it a bit better than that. Well, there we go, it's kind of, oops, kind of got it. Screw that back in again. Nice and tight. There we go. Try another one. What about this one on the corner then? How tight is this one? Kind of. These the little O-rings are quite good for control. There we go. It's out. Screw them back in again. Get in there. Cool. So, do it nice and tight. That's the end of the. It doesn't look like we damaged the bits, but then again, this is meant for this kind of work, not for screwing woods in, screws into wood, so we won't be doing that. But yeah, works rather well, I think. Nice. Back in we go. Nice and tight. There we go. Now, what do you suppose is hiding under this cover here? Oh, that's tight. Let's have a look. Oh, that's the memory there. It's got dim, blah blah, top side. So there we go. Memory module in there then. Shut that up again. Cool. Okay then, so it does seem like a reasonable little screwdriver set for the money. Cost me £2.50 actually. So this morning. So you get this rather nice little carry case with it. So and you can hang it up as well, which is good. It does feel a reasonable quality case, and the screwdriver snaps in thusly. And yeah, doesn't seem too bad at all really. So yeah, I've also bought this little fellow here as well from Poundland, a little test pen thing. This is it. I bought one for my son as well because he wanted one, so got that as well. £1 again, £1 for that, £2.50 for that. Okay then guys, so it appears to be a fairly decent precision screwdriver set from Hannon, £2.50 from Poundland this morning. Doesn't look too bad at all really. The packaging is quite nice, feels quite nice material, doesn't feel cheap at all. I don't suppose you're going to get a lot for £2.50, but we do get a very nice, I'm going to say it's aluminium handle here. That's quite nice, quite like that. Fits in the packaging. The only thing I did find was getting the bits out and back in again. I don't know what this material is, but it's very odd for getting things back in and out. If you don't get it quite right, it doesn't want to quite went in that time. But sometimes they, I found they wanted to hang up a little bit. So it's fairly softish, obviously pliable material for gripping onto the screwdriver bits. But other than that, quite cool. Alrighty guys, let me know what you think. Maybe you've purchased one of these as well. Let me know what you think of it. Yeah, not too bad at all so far. I don't know what longevity would be like, but it certainly seems to work all right, taking my old laptop apart down there. So I hope you enjoyed taking a look at the video. If you enjoyed the video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to the channel, share the video if you wish, and you'll probably find this on Instagram as well as you're watching this. So I'll get that up on Instagram for you guys to take a look at. And I will catch you later on. So thanks for watching.